Okay, now let's talk about MELTs, which is forms of energy. The M stands for mechanical, the E for electrical, the L for light, the T for thermal, and the S for sound energy. So when we talk about energy, we need to understand that some devices use one form of energy and then they produce a different form of energy. Let's start with the iPad. So the iPad, all right, so what kind of energy does the iPad uses to work and then what it produces? Well, the iPad to work uses electricity and then produces light, sound, and thermal. Okay. What about the flashlight? What kind of energy does a flashlight use to work and what it produces? Well, the flashlight uses electricity and produces light and maybe thermal. Okay, very good. Now, what about musical instruments? For musical instruments, to work, they use mechanical, and when working, they produce sound, vibrations, and the vibration means sound energy. Very good. And then I have this interesting question right here. This is a dolphin using echolocation. He's also using sound. So he's using sound, but to do what? Well, to locate, to find the position of the fish. Good luck in your presentation.